How many of you are able to cognize static matter, dynamic activity, strategic existence as no border? It is all oneness. Wonderful. Listen. The preliminary power manifestation you are going through now, Mahadeva very clearly says it's a preliminary. Sattva Tattva means, please listen, I am repeating the introduction, the word I used, Sattva Tattva, unit of high energy. Sattva, see, we function through three energies. Pure high energy, confused restlessness, dullness. So the pure high energy unit, when it is increased in you, the first response happens in you is preliminary power manifestation. See, it is intense sattva I am radiating. Understand that. Now what you are doing is a preliminary power manifestation. Only if you are settled with this cognition, I can push you to the higher level. See, this preliminary power manifestation need to bring you to the conclusion of static matter, dynamic activity. See, static matter means a small stone in your kidney to the Everest mountain. Everything is static matter. Dynamic activity, water flowing in your bathroom tap to the atomic explosion, everything is dynamic activity. Strategic existence, your ability to generate a will is what I call strategic existence. Your existence which goes on strategizing. How many of you are understanding all these three? See, listen. This three is separate, is the ignorance. Even the modern day science is trying to catch up with this truth. Science is the most fanatic religion promoted on the planet Earth. Ignorant fanatic religion promoted on the planet Earth is science, modern day science. They are so ignorant about so many things, so arrogant to claim they should be the prism to judge everything. So ignorant about so many things, but so arrogant to claim they should be the prism to judge everything. Most stupid, most arrogant fellows became well celebrated scientists. In pharmaceutical industry, legal drugs are the largest holocaust on humanity. Legal chemical drugs are the largest holocaust on humanity. This idea, these three are separate, is stupid. This is the biggest sin you have done against yourself, that these three are separate. So unfortunate, even as a child, you have been forced to believe this. That is why I have to start from preliminary level. Otherwise, to make you manifest oneness, it does not take more than one touch from me. But if I directly touch, like how I said, you will be burnt. Because you believed for quite a long time stupid things, stupid cognitions. It is like I have to slowly work with you and to make you believe your originality, I have to sit and convince you.